Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question from hexadecimals. Perform the following hexadecimal multiplication, that is A9C base 16 times 2B base 16. So the first thing you need to do is list all the numbers that are involved in hexadecimals. So they begin from 0 through 9. Then from we have A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A stands for 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So when you have that in mind, the next thing is just to rewrite this, just write it as A9C times 2B. So the first part is B times C. So we start with that. We have B times C. And if you check, B is the same as 11 and C is 12. So you have 11 times 12, which is 132. So this is a decimal number. You divide it by 16 to get the equivalent base 16 number. So 16 into 132, 8 times, but then there's a remainder of 4. So the hexadecimal value here is 84. So you come and write 4 and carry 8. So you have 4 and then you carry 8. So in the next multiplication, that is B times 9, you're going to start with the carry. So you have the carry as 8 plus the next multiplication, that is B times 9. So you have B times 9. So that is the same as 8 plus B, and B is 11 times 9. So you evaluate that and you get it to be 107. That is a decimal number. You divide it by 16 to get the corresponding by 16. So 16 into 107, 6 times. And there's a remainder of 11. But remember, 11 according to this is B. So you come and write B, and then you have a carry, which is 6. So in the next line, you start with the carry, that is 6, plus the next multiplication, that is B times A. So 6 plus B times A, that is 6 plus B, and B is 11, times A, which is 10. So that is going to be that is going to be 116. So you have 116, you divide it by 16 to get the corresponding hexadecimal number. So 16 into 116, 7 times. And then there's a remainder of 4. So the hexadecimal number is 74. So since there's no any other number to be multiplied by B, just write the final value the way it is, that is 7, 4. So the next step is to multiply by 2. So we're going to have 2 times C, which is the same as 2 times 12, that is 24. And 24 is a decimal number. Divide it by 16. You're going to get that to be 1. 16 into 24, 1 times, and then there's a remainder of 8. So the hexadecimal number there is 18. So you come and write 8 under 2, and then you have a carry 1. You have 1 as a carry, so you start with the carry, that is 1, plus the next multiplication, that is 2 times 9. 2 times 9, so that will be 19, because that is 18 plus 1, that is 19, which is a decimal number. Divide by 16. 16 into 19 once, and then there's a remainder of 3. So you write 3, and then have 1 as the carry. So the next step will be the carry, plus the next multiplication, that is 2 times A. So 1 plus 2 times A is the same as 1 plus 2 times 10, and you're going to get that to be 21. So divide 21 by 16 to get the corresponding hexadecimal number. So you have 16 into 21 one time, and then there's a remainder of 5. So it means the hexadecimal number in this case is 15. So look at that. You have no more numbers to the left. We multiply by 2. So you write 15 the way it is. 15. So now we have performed the multiplications. So the rest of this is just to add the two numbers. So the first one is just 4. And then the second one is b plus 8. So you can write that here. B plus 8. And b is 11. So 11 plus 8, you get that to be 19. And 19 is a decimal number, so divide by 16 to have the hexadecimal number. So 16 into 19 once, and then there's a remainder of 3. So you come and write 3 and bring the carry. So in the next line, you're going to have the carry plus the next addition, that is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So that will be 8. So just write 8 the way it is. Then the next one is 7 plus 5. We have 7 plus 5. And 7 plus 5 is 12. And according to hexadecimal numbers, 12 is equivalent to C. So just write C there. And then here we just have 1. So that is our result. So it therefore means that the multiplication that was A9C base 16 times 2B base 16 is equal to this one here. That is 1C 8, 3, 4 base 16. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe.